Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Resina Epoxica is probably one of the most versatile and durable flooring solutions available today, offering a seamless, high-gloss finish that can transform any space, from garages and basements to commercial showrooms and industrial facilities, providing exceptional resistance to chemicals, stains, and heavy traffic, making it an ideal choice for both aesthetic appeal and long-term practicality in a variety of demanding environments. Number 5. Craft Resin 2-gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Discover the artisan-approved quality of craft resin. This premium clear epoxy resin kit allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically, providing a smooth, clear result every time. It's recommended for depths of 1/4 inch. Create with confidence using our food-grade epoxy resin. It's formulated with low-odor, non-toxic, and VOC-free materials, making it harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish in just 24 hours. It's also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a crystal-clear, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use with its 1-to-1 ratio. Everything you need is included to elevate your art to the next level. What we like. This product offers a bubble-free and UV-resistant finish, and it's certified food-safe. If you are looking for a reliable resin for art projects that need to be safe for contact or will be exposed to sunlight, this is a great choice. Its low viscosity also makes it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. What people say. The epoxy resin is easy to mix and pour, creating a smooth and glossy finish on floors. It provides excellent durability and resistance to scratches and chemicals, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. The self-leveling properties ensure an even coating without visible brush strokes or imperfections. Number 4. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with this premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically for a smooth, flawless result every time. This epoxy resin is made with low-odor, non-toxic materials and is food-grade. It's harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. In just 24 hours, it cures to a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish. It's also resistant to heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a lasting, glassy smooth surface. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. It includes everything you need to elevate your art to the next level. What we like. This option boasts a self-leveling, food-safe, and UV-resistant finish. If you're a beginner who wants a smooth, easy application without worrying about bubbles or yellowing, this is perfect for you. It's also great for jewelry and coaster making where clarity and safety are paramount. What people say. The epoxy coating is incredibly durable and resistant to scratches and stains, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. The application process was straightforward, and the self-leveling properties ensured a smooth, even finish without any professional help. It dried to a beautiful, high-gloss sheen that completely transformed the look of the garage floor, making it look like a showroom. Number 3. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 51 ounces. Introducing the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit, designed for impressive 2-inch pours. It's perfect for your river tables, wood projects, flower preservation, and all your DIY crafts. Experience our upgraded formula with reduced viscosity for easier mixing and faster air release. This low exotherm cure runs cooler, supporting bigger pours and minimizing bubbles and overheating risks. Elevate your projects with pours up to 2 inches deep in a single layer. Achieve a stunning, glass-like finish with enduring clarity, saving you time and effort. Our epoxy is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and free from VOCs. As a food-grade resin, it's perfect for both home and professional use, ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant strength in just 48 hours. It offers excellent heat resistance, guaranteeing a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years without damage. This kit is perfect for beginners with an easy 2-to-1 ratio. It includes everything you need to get started, taking your resin art to new heights. What we like. This product is designed for deep pours up to 2 inches with a low exotherm cure and is food safe certified. If you're creating river tables, large castings, or embedding objects like flowers, this is the ideal choice. Its ability to handle thicker pours minimizes the need for multiple layers, saving you time and effort. What people say. The epoxy resin is easy to mix and pour, creating a smooth, glossy finish on floors. It provides excellent durability and resistance to scratches and stains, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. The self-leveling properties ensure an even coating without visible brush strokes or imperfections. Number 2. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 1.5 Gallon. Introducing the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit, perfect for your larger casting projects. It's designed for pours up to 2 inches deep, saving you time and effort. Our upgraded formula features reduced viscosity for improved flow and easier mixing. It also allows for faster air release, minimizing bubbles and overheating risk. Achieve a stunning, glass-like finish with enduring clarity. This premium clear epoxy resin and hardener eliminates the need for multiple pours, giving you a beautiful result every time. This epoxy resin is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and free from VOCs. It's certified food safe, making it ideal for both home and professional use, ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. It cures to a rock-hard, scratch-resistant strength in just 48 hours and is heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll get a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years without cracking. Perfect for beginners, our kits are easy to use and include everything you need. The simple 2-to-1 ratio ensures success, taking your resin art to new heights. What we like. This kit allows for deep pours up to 2 inches, features a low exotherm cure, and comes in a large 1.5-gallon volume. If you're undertaking large-scale projects like river tables or significant wood encapsulations, this is perfect. The larger quantity means fewer interruptions, and the deep pour capability ensures a smooth, single-layer finish for substantial pieces. What people say. This epoxy resin is very easy to use and provides a beautiful, glossy finish. The resin cures quickly and creates a durable, scratch-resistant surface. It's perfect for creating custom flooring with vibrant colors and intricate designs. Number 1. Dr. Resin 2-Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Introducing the Dr. Resin 2-Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. This premium kit is designed for a flawless, non-yellowing finish, perfect for all your creative projects. Experience effortless application with its self-leveling and bubble-free formula. It ensures a smooth, professional result every time, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Unleash your creativity with its wide range of applications. From stunning tabletops and intricate jewelry to durable finishes and DIY crafts, this resin is perfect for any project you can imagine. Achieve perfect results with its foolproof 1-to-1 mix ratio. Simply combine equal parts of the resin and hardener, and enjoy a forgiving 40-minute work time for precise application. This high-quality resin cures quickly, becoming incredibly hard and crystal clear. Its resistance to yellowing ensures your creations will maintain their beauty over time. For the best results, always refer to the included instructions. If you encounter any questions or issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This epoxy resin kit is known for its no yellowing, self-leveling, and bubble-free properties. If you're aiming for a crystal clear, durable finish on tabletops, tumblers, or jewelry, this is an excellent option. Its forgiving work time and easy 1-to-1 ratio make it suitable for anyone looking to achieve professional results with minimal hassle. What people say. The epoxy coating is very durable and resistant to scratches and chemicals, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. The application process was straightforward, and the epoxy dried to a smooth, glossy finish that transformed the look of the floor. It provided excellent adhesion to the concrete substrate, preventing peeling or lifting even in areas exposed to moisture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.